Hello students, today we will learn use of these and those. In our previous class, students, we have already read about use of these and that. This when things is singular, thing is singular and near to us. And that for thing which are singular but far to us. Okay? But today our topic is these and those. When thing is singular and near to us, this. And when things are plural and also near to us, then these. When thing is singular, only one in number and near to us, this. But when things are plural and near to us, then these. Here is 3 apples, more than one. Okay? Same as that, singular and far. When thing is singular and far to us, we use that. But when things are plural and far to us, we use those. Far and plural. Far and plural. Both condition will be there. Then only we use those. And when things plural and near, then we use these. Let's see here. One ball. Only one ball. Singular. One ball, that means singular. And this is far or near? Near also. So here is 2 conditions. Singular and also near. Then this or these? This. This is a ball. And let's see here, more than one. 3 balls are here. That means plural and near to us. Plural and near to us, then these. These are balls. Here is bat. Only one bat. Bat. But near or far? Far. Far and singular. Then this, that or those? That. That is a bat. Here is more than one bat. That means plural. And near or far? Far to us. And when things are plural and far to us, then we use those. So, understood this concept? These are those. This is a plural, a singular word. And these is a plural word. When thing or any object is near to us and singular, only one in number, then we use this. And when things or object are near to us but in number, they are more than one, then these. And same as that and those. Singular and far. That. Plural and far. Those. Understood? So let's do here some exercise. Here all objects which I have given here, all are plural. So we have to only put up here these and those. Cup. More than one cup. 3 cups are here. Far or near? Near to us. And for near, these. These. These are cups. Cup, singular, plural, already we have learned. CUP cup, singular. And CUPS cups, plural, more than one. Pens, near or far? Yes, near to us. This is also these. Here we will use these. These are pens. Let's see here. Here are some books. Books, far or near? Far to us. So, those. Those are books. Cats. Cats, more than one and far or near? Near to us. And for near and plural, these. These are cats. Candies. All of you like candies? Yes. Near or far? Candies are far to us and plural in number. So, those. Those are candies. Mats. More than one mat. So mats. And singular or plural? Plural. And far to us. So those. Those are mats. Rats. Near? Yes, near to us. So these. These are rats. Trees. Near or far? Far to us and plural in number. So those. Those are trees. Kite. No kite. Kites. So these, and also because this is near to us. Near to us and single plural in number. These are kites. Birds. Near or far? Far. So far, these birds are far to us. So not these, those birds. Birds, and because plural in number. Those are birds. So students, hope all of you understood the concept of these and those. These for plural and near, and those for plural and far. Okay students, so according to this, do practice at home. Bye bye.